Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Stella and today we're going to be putting on some lashes. Before we get this video started, please guys, leave a heart, leave a like, subscribe. Today we're here to put on some DIY lash extensions. It's not like DIY lash extensions, it's lash extensions at home. At home, like you take this, you put it in your eye and then you can fly. You're welcome. You're welcome. Did I tell you guys to subscribe and like this video? Okay. So there is this company, it's called Gollee. They reached out to me because they saw one video about lenses and they asked me to test out their products. So I did my little bit of research and they sent me this beautiful package with 2 sets of different types of lashes, lash glue, and a lash cleanser foam. So I'm excited. I'm gonna put lashes on today and I'm not gonna look like a zombie anymore. Have you spent all your money doing lash extensions at the beauty salon? No need to anymore. I'm here for you. They're huge. We will fly together, okay? Let's start from the foam. This thing is big. It's not like a sample. It's actually gonna last for a while. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. It says botanical shampoo and 3 plant extracts formulated for hygienic cleansing. And it comes with this beautiful brush. So I'm gonna do this on another video probably, taking care of your lash extensions. So you're just putting on the foam on your lashes and cleansing them because you can get all sorts of nasty stuff on them if you don't. So that's the cleanser. And then they gave me not 1 but 2 styles of lash extensions. This is a whole kit. It comes with a glue. I believe it comes with an applicator too. Let me see. Long nails problems. Oh. Alright, so it comes with a glue. It says gentle formula, sensitive glue. These letters are so small. It says to keep it in the refrigerator. Take it out 1 or 2 hours before you use it. Use a red pin whenever shaking the glue. Shake from right to left for 15 minutes. Oh, seconds. So like this. It comes with this really fancy pair of tweezers. They're applicators actually. So you're gonna grab your eyelash extensions with this and pop them on. Or some of these little paper thingies. Oh guys, have I told you to follow my other channel called Nailist for nail inspiration? You're not gonna lose. So this is the pin that you open the glue. It has a little needle. Ooh la la, it's sealed. Let me show you the lashes first. This is F9 and this is in style F10. See them side by side? I'm gonna use these. No, I'm not. I'm gonna use these here for the inner part of my eye and these for the outer parts. They actually let me choose whatever styles I liked and this is what they sent me. Oh, now we got the applicator. This is so pretty, look. Looks very elegant. Guys, I just realized something. I'm so dumb. Okay, so I'm not gonna need to use both of the... because I just saw that they come from smaller, shorter portions of lashes to longer, bigger ones. So we're just gonna use one. Let's get this F9 style. Thoroughly clean your natural eyelashes and eyelids. Make sure there's no makeup and they're oil-free. Use an eyelash curler to gently curl your lashes. I do not have one right now. These lenses are so pretty, but they keep twisting. Shake the glue well before use. Pour 1 drop of glue on a small place. Gently pick up a segment of DIY lashes from the root with tweezers. Dip the lash into the glue and place it on your natural lashes at the position of 0.3 to 1 millimeter from your lash line without touching the eyelid. This is very important, guys. You don't want any allergies. Allergies and glues and all that, like nail stuff and all that, only work if it comes in contact with your skin because they're actually made for your nails or your lashes, but not for your actual skin, your eyelid and all that. So yeah, be very careful when it comes to that. gonna put it over here now. This is dirty. I'm gonna put it on the inside. This is one drop. So we're gonna grab one of the big chunky parts, like so. I'm gonna dip it in. I'm waiting for 15 seconds. Okay. Let's see. Wait, the dog is trying to get in. And it's set on my lash line. Okay. I'm moving on the smaller size. Ooh, la la. We're gonna be putting this lashes on top of my lash line, and these we're gonna put underneath. So we're gonna see what works best, okay? Oh, this looks so seamless. Gradually getting more excited. I'm just resting it on. I'm waiting for a couple of seconds until I get to the next one. I'm putting the next one on and then squeezing the previous one. I cracked the system. I cracked it. I think I need one more small one in the inner corner. Guys, that took me around less than 10 minutes. It was my first time doing it, apart from that one like 3 years ago. I can leave that somewhere here too. But holy sh**. Next side. Oh. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the glue on the inner side, like on the upper side of the lash, and I'm gonna place it under. So I'm gonna look a little stupid, but you're gonna see this in fast forward. Once again, I'm gonna leave this to rest here until it becomes super tucky. But also definitely more seamless on the eyeliner space, you know? Pretty cool. Okay guys, we are finished. This one, it's the same type of lashes all over the place, but this one is put on top of my lash line and this is put under my lash line. So this definitely gives a little more natural look. I can see that it blends in perfectly and you can put your eyeliner, nobody's gonna know, you can put no eyeliner. While this, maybe this is because it's the first eye I did, so I was an amateur and now I'm a pro. This looks a little more chunky, like a little all over the place, but still, if you didn't know, you probably wouldn't have noticed. The only thing with this that's put on top of it is like you can probably not wear it without eyeliner, because look at this. It doesn't look like a big deal, but up close, looking at somebody, you're probably gonna notice that you're wearing lash extensions. But So I want to make sure I let you guys know what I think about it. And it was really easy. The result is definitely insane. Like, I think from up close you can really see that it's so good, high quality. All the hairs are side by side and they're different lengths so that it gives you this Kim Kardashian look. And definitely you can see these a little more because they're put on top of it, but these, like, this is how I'm gonna do them from now on. They blend in so perfectly, and if you curl them, if you put some mascara on them, it's gonna be so good. And what else did I want to say? Yeah, definitely would recommend. It's good. It's super good. Guys, look. This is my favorite eye now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put a second video in a week's time to see how long they last for and how to take care of them with a foam and all. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and love on the video. Bye bye, see you on the next one.